Hi everybody, it's Kia here from Cara Bookkeeping Specialist. I hope you're all doing amazingly well. So today, really quickly, I'm just going to explain to you what the new and improved carry back losses rule really means. So during the budget announcement, the Chancellor did say that they're going to extend the allowance for carrying back losses on your profits from 1 to 3 years. So currently, what the situation is if you make losses, for example, this year, then under the previous rules, you can carry losses back for 1 year and you can carry them forward until they're used up, essentially, which means that you're reducing your tax bill. Essentially, that's what the point is of carrying losses forward or backwards. Now he's extending this to go, losses can be carried back to 3 years because it's going to improve your cash flow position right now, essentially, and I'm going to show you how that works. Now this change, this adjustment is open to all businesses, whether incorporated or unincorporated, but he hasn't specified up to when this allowance is going to be existing for. So we don't know if they're going to say, okay, next year that's it, back to normal, or if it's going to be 2 years or 5 years, or whatever the case may be. So when that information is confirmed, then I will be letting you guys know. In the meantime, let's jump straight into the example for you. So here's what it looks like. This is under the current rules. Say this year you made a loss of £20,000. You wouldn't pay any tax because we don't pay taxes on losses. But what you would be able to do is carry that loss forward and say, if next year I make a profit of £20,000, you would have paid £3,800 tax, but you don't need to pay any tax because the profit and the loss would set off against each other, essentially making your tax bill for 2 years zero. Now, if we say last year, 2019 to 2020, you made a £10,000 profit, you would have paid £1,900 tax. And the year before that, you made £30,000 profit, you would have already paid £5,700 in tax. So that's the situation as it currently stands. Now, what does the change mean? In effect, this is what happens with the change. We've got this year, we've got our £20,000 loss, and we're going to carry that back to the in this example, 2 previous years. Okay, so last year we made £10,000 profit. We're going to reduce that 10,000 by 10,000 from the £20,000 loss, therefore wiping out that tax that we paid. Okay, we've still got £10,000 loss left to carry back again another year, and that year we made £30,000 profit, so we're going to reduce it by the 10,000 and again claim back £1,900 of what we paid over here, meaning the total carryback is the £20,000 loss that we made in 2021, and the total rebate is £3,800, which the government will then pay you. So you will then get a check or a deposit in your bank account for £3,800, which is cash that you can use now today in your business, okay? So that's how that works, and I hope that that makes sense to you. If you do have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm always available, happy to answer your questions. But my advice to you would be to go and do a forecast. Go and look back, have a look. How much profit did you make? What's your loss? If you don't know what your loss is now, what's it likely to be? Or, you know, however it's going to work out for you, and just see, am I going to get a rebate? Is my tax bill going to be significantly less than I thought it was going to be? Can I use this to my benefit in some way? Get your accountant or bookkeeper to help you and run those figures for you so that you can be in a stronger position to make more effective plans for your business, for your cash flow, for the growth and success of your enterprise. I wish you guys all the very best. I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.